Hi everyone! Today I want to show an unsuccessful print. A horse on a stand, silhouette made from branches. This is not my first print of this horse. The previous versions were successful, but this time something went wrong. At 44% of the print, the printer stopped and showed the message "Print finish". There was no way to continue print, so I had to start all over again. Sometimes things like this happen, even with familiar prints, but it's all part of learning and improving your printing skills. Share this, share something like this in the comment if you have experience like that. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.